Can I get a year?
I'm the festival Finesser. Hello, Finesse Gang. Welcome to the first trick tip video of festival season. I have not done a tip advice video in a long time because I've been doing so many live show vlogs, but festival season is upon us, and I wanted to give you guys just some quick advice and a pro tip and a little video on how to make sure you have the best camping experience possible, and that's with preparation. You gotta prepare as best you can when you're going camping and make sure that you have everything, you don't forget anything. So what we're doing today is camp preparation. We're preparing our campsite, we're making a mock-up. We're setting up our campsite in the back. Me and Bree just came back from Walmart, got some things for Big Dub, some things for myself, Electric Forest. So all my camping stuff is up there from last year. It's all in one spot. I highly recommend doing this, so it's just grab and go, don't gotta look for anything. And so what we're gonna do now is just set everything up in the backyard, and I'm gonna show you guys some nifty things that I have, why I bring them, some things that I do with my campsite, and just make sure that we're all prepared and ready to go for Electric Forest and Big Dub. So enjoy the time lapse.
Get ready.
All right, guys, we have all the camping stuff, most of what I have available out and just kind of categorized for you guys. I'm gonna run through what I have real quick and why I bring it, what it's used for, and in the process, hopefully realize what I don't have, what I need, and things like that. Let's do this. All right, so we'll start with the easy stuff first. Obviously, you need a table if you can bring one. Try to bring one that's not too big because you're gonna have to pack it and carry it probably. Chairs for yourself. Try to think about the homies as well. This is one of those like blow up inflatable couch things. You know, you like swoop it up and it's like a little couch thing. I have one of those. Those are nice for campsite. I don't like bringing them to the actual festival because you got to carry and it's annoying. But yes, so now we have our sleeping arrangements. I love bringing yoga mats just to make it a little more comfier. It acts like a little welcome mat so your feet aren't all dirty when you're getting to the campsite, more comfortable. And yeah, I just like sleeping on yoga mats rather than a hard floor. We also have an air mattress over here. From my experience, I've noticed air mattresses, unless you get a really good one, are not really worth it. You get a $10 air mattress that's gonna work for one night and then it's gonna get a hole, it's gonna deflate. So that's what I've noticed from the air mattresses. If you're gonna get an air mattress, invest in a good one. Don't forget to bring a pump because you have to fill it up with air. Some don't come with the automatic pump built in. We have a sleeping bag, obviously. You may wanna bring blankets and stuff like that. Always know it's gonna be stupid hot in the morning of a festival. When you wake up, you're gonna be scorching in your tent, so just be aware of that. And obviously we have the tent. I have a 4-person tent with the rain guard. And yeah, it's brand new. I've only used it like twice. Bree got a tent today too, a 6-person pop-up tent. So we're gonna see which one's bigger, which one's better, and bring that one to the festival. But honestly, it couldn't hurt to bring 2 tents. If it rains, if your tent breaks, it's always good to have a spare, a backup, especially when you're camping. So now we're gonna get into the goodies, the things, the little nifty trinkets that I like to bring that really kind of make my festival experience a little better and just more prepared. And I think there's gonna be some tips that you guys find helpful and enjoy. So let's get into this. The first thing here, obviously, is a battery-powered fan. This was a super come up last year. I don't know if it still works. It does. So this, all it takes is D batteries, and it's just nice when you're hot in the morning just to have a fan. Bree was literally walking around Lost Lands with this fan all day, and like honestly it did wonders. So it's like 20 bucks to get this thing at Walmart, and I'm pretty sure they even have bigger ones. So this is my camping box. This is pretty much just like everything that I bring to a campsite. It's just grab and go. And what I've learned, what I've come to do is anytime someone leaves something with me or has leftover, don't throw it out. Just keep it because they're gonna end up using it for the next one. So this is just like at the end of the festival, whenever I just am packing up, everything just goes in the bucket and we leave. So let's see what we got. We have some pots and pans for cooking, some silverware for eating, some cups for drinking, some wipes for cleaning yourself, and you know, tables, whatever messes, wipes. You could take a wipe shower bath. We have shampoo in here to take a base bath, you know, just shampoo in some bottles of water, dump it on your head. We have some tongs for cooking. This is gonna go in the cooking section. Some rope and string, just because you never know what you're gonna need. Cleaning utensils for the dishes. Do not forget utensils to clean your cooking stuff, because there's no running water. Usually you're gonna be using a lot of water to clean your utensils. So make sure you bring that. Make sure you bring dish soap. And make sure you bring cooking spray, because cooking spray will make your cleaning a lot easier. If you don't spray your pots and pans, you're gonna get gunky, shit just stuck on your pan. If you don't clean it immediately after you cook, it's gonna get harder to clean after. So make sure as soon as you cook, you clean it up right after you're done, and it'll make your life a lot easier. What else do we have in here? More pots and pans. So you got some like soup and shit, whatever. And then you have like eggs if you want to do it. So 2 types of pans. Cooking instruments, like I said, a wooden spoon. We have a first aid kit in here as well. more string, a phone charger that I doubt works, more silverware, which is gonna go in this bag, some stunner shades, I don't know what these are doing in here, some tent stakes. All right, looks like I am missing tent stakes, so I gotta come up on those at Walmart and make a note of that, Brian. You need tent stakes. More cooking stuff. This is what I'm saying. We want to clean. This is not clean. Make sure you clean your stuff after, because this is gonna be a bitch and just really nasty to get off now. What else do we have in here? Some more string, some sponges for cleaning, like I said, a hammer for the steaks, hand sanitizer, Gorilla Tape, 5-hour energy, lighter fluid, which probably isn't allowed, but yeah, so that's the camping stuff and just the random camping box. I hope you guys find some of that helpful and useful. Now in here, this is the kind of stuff that I don't keep in the garage, I keep in my house. But right, this is probably the coolest thing I've gotten. It's a jump starter power pack, so it's like it can jump start your car. If your car breaks down, you don't have jumper cables, this can power your car. It also charges the phone. I haven't used this yet, so I'm gonna let you guys know if this is actually something I can use. But it seems pretty dope, and it seems like it should work. Looks like it can start a car, and that's what its purpose for. Jump starter power pack, so it's a portable charger and it can start your car. Interesting. Ponchos for the rain, always be prepared. Waterproof bags. If it rains, you don't want your electronics and stuff like that to be exposed. Make sure you bring a box or a bucket or a bag of some sort to keep your stuff safe. We have a lot of lights. Lights are crucial at campsites and just camping in general, because it's dark. You don't realize how dark it is until you're out there. So I have a bunch of lights to hang on my backpack and just lanterns. This is the backpack. This is the light for my backpack that I just clip on my backpack, pop it in a little strap, and it keeps me lit at night. You can see where I'm going. These, I can't wait to use. I got these. These are new. These are like little light bulbs that you hang from the tent. So it's like a little light at the top of your tent, a little hook. We have some face masking stuff. Obviously, shout out to Lily for making those at Lost Lands last year. More face masks, more light bulbs, more flashlights. More flashlights. Flashlights are key, guys. I'm promising you. Do not bring just one flashlight. Bring a flashlight for yourself. Bring a flashlight, you know, for your campsite. Bring a lantern. Bring a light. Just bring lights for everything, because it's gonna be dark and you're gonna want to see at your campsite at night. I promise you. A brand new portable charger for my phone, for anything, my GoPro. You know, I'm gonna have to be charging a lot of accessories and electronics at this festival, especially at E4. I'm gonna be there for 5 days with no electricity, so we're gonna see how good I can finesse. Another flashlight. This is a really cool power pack. It's called a pop charge, emergency charge. It's a pre-charged like battery pack. You just open the package, pop it into your phone, and it's just like a little you know, extendo battery, and it just pops into your iPhone thing right there, and it just charges your phone while you can use it. And then we have some gloves, glove gang, and some candy, finesse gang, obviously. What else do we have in here? These are new items in here. We have some more zip ties. Zip ties are clutch. You know, you could zip tie 2 canopies together, 2 easy ups, zip tie flags and shit, or banners to your easy up, or I don't even know. But like I said, zip ties, you want to have a bunch of stuff to be able to make shit, keep shit together, tie it, tape it. You just want to be able to makeshift. You don't be able to fix your campsite, you know, MacGyver it. We have these really cool, like, glow in the dark, like, I'm gonna use these as like night glow sticks to pop in my backpack, just so people can find me, see me, and you know, at night, and just give myself some light. We'll test those out. Some bungee cords for packing and just keeping shit together. That's more for like traveling, for the car, just keeping shit tacked onto the car, and just keeping shit tied down, like if we're traveling with a wagon or something. And bungee cord all the fucking yoga mats together, something like that. So it's just, a lot of this stuff can be used for multiple things. And yeah, so I think that's it. And we have, yeah, more bungee cords. So now you see everything that I would bring to a campsite. This is not everything, like I said. We're still missing an easy up, which is at Breeze somewhere. We have a bunch of tapestries we hang over here. We didn't even cover this stuff over here. So next over here, we have some tarps. Tarps are great for kind of, I think it's like a carpet, you know, I just stake it into the ground and you can walk around your campsite barefoot, because you don't want to be walking around, I don't like walking around my campsite in shoes, because you go into your tent, you get your tent all dirty. It's just nice being in the grass and your feet barefoot. I don't know, it's being barefoot at campsite is cool. And if you guys want to make a cool investment, I have Festival Finesser slides for a pre-order. So you guys can get some slides and just walk around, be comfy and cozy at your campsite, kick off your slides before you get into your tent, kick them back on when you're going out, go to the shower or whatever. It's just, I think slides are a great investment for someone that's camping. So that's something you might want to look into for yourself. $35, link in the description box for pre-order. Go get them. What else do we have over here? Propane grill. Looks like we need some propane. And we have over here a bag of flags, literally just flags, tapestries, things to hang at the festival, you know, from the campsite. Give us some shade, give us like a marker to find our campsite easy. And I think that is everything that I would bring to a campsite, you know. So we're gonna set it all up now, show you guys what it looks like, see what we're missing, how we would set things up, and yeah, just enjoy the time lapse again. All right, guys, half hour later, and our new monstrous tent is assembled. And this is exactly why you want to do this shit, because it took us a half hour to do. This is a brand new tent, and it just would have been a bitch if we were doing it at the festival at night, not knowing what we were doing. Now at least we've done it, we know how to do it. We don't need instructions anymore, and we could just pull up, pop it open. This tent actually has like built-in tent poles, so you don't have to like feed it through. You just gotta do the rain guard shit, stick that into the ground, and we're lit. So Bree is not letting me put the yoga mats in here because they're dirty and shit, but this tent actually has built-in lights. It's crazy. Somewhere there's like a built-in battery pack here, USB, and I'm pretty sure it has LEDs somewhere throughout the tent, but it's got the dope, you know, it's where we would hang the lights from. And yeah, so it's got this nice little patio area. It's sick. So yes, new tent. And then we'd probably set up the tarp right here, so it's like you can just chill with your shoes off, have a I'm just gonna do it right now. Fuck it, I'm setting it up right now. All right, guys, we have set up Camp Finesse. This is a mock-up of what our campsite would look like for for Big Dub, not really Electric Forest. I'm gonna have my own tent, not this monstrosity, but chill area. We'd have the canopy posted up over us, and then we'd probably have another homie's tent connected over here somewhere on one of the other sides. And then, yeah, pretty much imagine one tent on each side of the canopy, and everybody meets in the middle on the tarp area. And then we'd hang the flags from the canopy. We'd have the grill going with the pots and pans, the fan posted, another table possibly, yeah. But we know how our tent is set up. It's gonna be easier when we do that. We have the yoga mats and stuff to put inside. We'll have the easy up, and I'm probably gonna do another one of these videos again before Electric Forest for myself, to see what I have, what I don't have. I noted a couple things from this one, but I really want to see what it looks like with the easy up and with the canopy and the flags and the tapestries and just a full out setup of camp, what it would look like. This is like halfway done. This is the essentials: tent, chair, table, tarp, yoga mats. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't seen it already, there is a video, what to bring for a camping festival, what to pack, base head edition, anything you should need, anything I pretty much said is in that video again. So watch that, watch this. There'll be one more coming out before Electric Forest, and hopefully that will get you guys prepared for camping season and festival season. So till the next one, I'm the Festival Finesser. That's the Mosh Queen. Peace. Go. Son of a